Okay, so far we've been working on our web pages in Glitch, which is really nice because it lets us work together. But eventually you are going to want to work on your web pages on your own computer, okay? And this is just gonna be a really short video that talks about options for doing that. So when we work on coding projects on our computers, we use what are just called text editors generally. And these are just like, it's like Word, but with all of the formatting stripped out, right? I don't need to make things bold in my HTML code, and there's some other tools that I need to be a kind of a professional coder. So the one that I recommend you use is called Atom, A-T-O-M, and it's available at atom.io. It's free, it's available for all the platforms. It's a really nice professional tool. People who do this for a living use it. There are others. You can use whatever you want. Other ones that people often use are Sublime Text or possibly brackets. Things that you're looking for in a good text editor are code highlighting, which we'll look at. It's just going to kind of turn things different colors so that you know what you're looking at. And that's really about it for this class that you're going to need. So I'm just going to do some really simple demo work in Atom. So when you open Atom, the first time you open it, it'll have some panels here that are like, can we collect information, stuff like that. You can uncheck those so that you never see them again. Now, once you are at this point, our basic process for using Atom, or most contemporary text editors, is I'm going to have all the files for my project in a folder. Okay, so I'm working on project 1. Here are all my files for project 1. I'm going to take this folder and I'm going to drag it to the icon. Now, what you're seeing here is a representation of the files in that folder. It's kind of like a little Finder window or a file tree. And I can then click on these to edit. So just remember, you always want to be dragging your project folder into Atom. And we've talked previously about how to manage your project folders. This is code highlighting, right? So you can see here my element names are in red, my attribute names are in orange, my attribute values are in green. This can be really helpful so that you can tell if you start to maybe get off and you know, things aren't the color that you expect them to be. That's a good way to tell where you are. Okay, so just a quick video to explain text editors. I guess a few more really quick things. If I pull this here, every now and then the text will go off the page. So there's something called soft wrap. And so right here you can see this line just keeps going off the page and I can't see it all. So if you've got that going on, you'll come up here, view, toggle soft wrap, and that will keep you inside your area. If you ever need to, you can go to view, panels, split left or split right, and I can now have two different files up at once if I want to be editing multiple files at the same time. Like anything else, you'll just save from here. But the most important thing is dragging that project folder in, and we'll go from here in future videos.